If your Keystone window air conditioner's compressor keeps turning on and off every 10 minutes, that's a classic sign it's struggling to cool right or has some kind of issue. So, first off, make sure the air filter is clean. Dirty filters choke airflow and make the compressor work overtime. Next, check if the condenser coils outside are clogged with dirt or debris. If they are, gently clean them with a brush or hose when the unit is off. Also, inspect the unit's placement. If it's in direct sunlight all day or too close to walls, it might overheat and shut off to protect itself. Another thing to look at is whether the thermostat sensor inside the unit is touching the cooling fins. If so, it can misread the temperature and cause short cycling. Try unplugging the AC for a few minutes to reset it. If you hear strange noises or feel the compressor not running at full power, it could be a refrigerant leak or electrical problem, which usually needs a pro. Sometimes, these units just age out and parts like the compressor or capacitor fail, making repairs expensive. In that case, saving up for a new model might be smarter. One of the biggest mistakes people make with window air conditioners is ignoring regular maintenance like cleaning filters and coils, which leads to poor cooling and short cycling. Another common problem is placing the unit in a spot where airflow is blocked or it's exposed to too much sun. Fixing this by moving it or shading it helps a lot. Lastly, trying to fix complex issues like compressor failure without professional help can make things worse and cost more in the long run. Calling a trusted technician or considering replacement is usually best. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who can service or replace air conditioners without hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who actually need their skills and grow their business.